Hey everybody, welcome to Power Tools for Beginners. Pleasure to meet you. I am Luis Sanchez at your service. Thank you very much for actually tuning into my channel. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about myself. 47 years old. I'm a marketing manager. So all of my life, I've dedicated to actually working online, working on marketing campaigns and so forth. But ever since the pandemic hit, unfortunately, some of us were hit hard in regards to our jobs. So I started getting into the do-it-yourself game. I started fixing up stuff. I started looking at YouTube for tutorials. And let me tell you, there's some great people out there who literally teach you, take the time to show you, answer your questions, and definitely help you achieve success in regards to your projects. So with that said, I figured that us newbies who are barely getting into the do-it-yourself repairs, who are barely learning about power tools. I mean, I'm not ashamed to say it. I was 47 years old before I ever used a circular saw. Before I ever started doing any work in my house. Now, thanks to YouTube and thanks to the tutorials, I actually feel pretty confident in regards to doing work. I'm actually remodeling a bathroom here at the house, and I'm literally gonna do 90% of the work. The purpose of this channel is to let you know, I mean, what's the best tool out there? What's the best tool for your budget? If you like power, if you like the availability of the tool, I mean, the compatibility of the tool, if there's a lot of, if it's a battery platform, are they readily available so you can just drive down the street to your local Home Depot, to your local Lowe's, you can buy the battery there, you can actually get a sandwich on your way back. How big is the tool family? I'm noticing now that tools are not like old school back when I was a kid, that, you know, you had one drill and you had one saw. Now it's like a specialty drill and a specialty saw and a specialty impact driver. And then they got different size of bits. I mean, back in my day, one bit went through everything, you know, and it either worked or it didn't work. Now, you know, they specialize in drywall, they specialize in wood, specialize in plastic, specialize in metal, specialize in concrete. So it's really cool, everything that you can do with power tools, especially save yourself some money. I know some of you guys are probably so perfectionist or so picky that you'd like to rather do the job yourself than actually hire someone else who would actually not do the job correctly. Also, I do gotta say this, whenever you cannot do any work, especially if it's dangerous kind of work, and I'm talking about electricity, I'm talking about climbing up on the roof, I'm talking about maybe you're gonna damage your water main or your water pipe, always call a professional. But if you like to fix stuff around your house, you like to decorate, you like to put furniture together, you like to take stuff apart, maybe you want to make yourself a nice little table, you want to make yourself a nice little display shelf. I mean, I'm a toy collector myself. You can see I have toys all around. That's my huge little baby that I just purchased that I'm really excited about using all my tools. But you know, some of us need that information. I mean, not off the top of your head or not off the beginning are you going to be like, hey, you know, I know exactly what circular saw blade I need, or I know exactly what hacksaw blade I need, or I know exactly what grinder blade I need to cut through a piece of pipe. Well, I don't. And I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of people out there that actually don't either. So my purpose is to make it easy, to make it fun, to make it informative. And if you guys like the channel, please share, like, and subscribe. If there's any tip or anything positive that you guys can bring to the channel, please, I'm all about learning. I'm all about doing things the correct way. I don't give out any hate to anybody. On the contrary, much respect to the people who are in the construction industry, the plumbing industry, electrical industry. You guys are the best. You guys know your stuff. I'm trying to just take care of guys like myself who would like to learn, who have the desire to learn, and obviously who want to know how to get things done faster, the right way, and also use the proper tools. There's folks out here that might just buy the tools the cheapest possible because of the fact that maybe their budget doesn't allow them to have anything more than what the quality or the most popular brands are at. But if you have the ability to purchase contractor quality tools, or maybe apprentice quality tools, or simply the best tools out there on the market to do the job, hey, more power to you. We're going to find out about all of that. So definitely, I just wanted you guys to get to know me a little bit. I wanted to thank you very much for being on this channel. I wanted to just say, hey, how's it going? And let's learn together. You have a great day, guys. Thank you very much for being here. And please like, share, and subscribe. Peace.